Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best water spot removers for cars that you can get right now. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast looking to keep your vehicle spotless, this list has you covered. Stick around as we break down each product's features, performance, and value. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the CyberSuds Water Spot Remover. This product boasts a pH-neutral formula, making it safe for use on a wide range of surfaces, including glass, metals, plastic, and paint. Its standout feature is its versatility. It's not just for cars. You can also use it on boats, motorcycles, and even around your home. The formula is designed to tackle tough water spots while delivering a streak-free shine. In terms of design, CyberSuds comes in a convenient spray bottle that's easy to handle and apply. The liquid formula is lightweight and spreads evenly across surfaces, which is a plus for those hard-to-reach areas. While it does a decent job at breaking down water spots, it may require extra effort on more stubborn stains compared to higher-ranked products on this list. That being said, the streak-free finish it leaves behind is impressive. The biggest selling point here is the all-natural, USA-made formula, which appeals to eco-conscious buyers. However, its cleaning power may fall short for professionals or those dealing with heavy mineral buildup. If you're looking for a general-purpose water spot remover that's safe, versatile, and easy to use, CyberSuds is a solid option. Pros include its eco-friendly composition and versatility, but the cons are its limited effectiveness on tougher stains. At number 4, we have the 3D Eraser Gel Water Spot Remover. This product stands out with its thick, acidic gel formula that clings to surfaces, allowing for longer dwell time and deeper penetration. It's designed to dissolve tough water spots and mineral deposits without damaging paint, glass, chrome, or plastic. The gel formula is particularly effective for vertical surfaces, as it stays in place and works its magic. In terms of performance, the 3D Eraser Gel does an excellent job of removing calcium, magnesium, and mineral buildup that causes chalky spots. The application process is straightforward. Apply the gel, let it sit, and wipe it off. It's great for DIY detailers and professionals alike, and it eliminates the need for expensive services. However, the acidic formula means you need to handle it with care, as prolonged contact with certain surfaces could cause slight discoloration. The 3D Eraser Gel is ideal for car enthusiasts looking to restore clarity and shine to their vehicles, especially for those dealing with heavy mineral deposits. Pros include its powerful gel formula and effectiveness on vertical surfaces. The main con is its slightly harsh formula, which may require careful application to avoid potential damage. Coming in at number 3 is the Boat Bling Hot Sauce. While it's marketed primarily for boats, this product is incredibly versatile and works just as well on cars, RVs, and motorcycles. What sets Boat Bling apart is its unique formula, which not only removes hard water spots, but also leaves behind a layer of high-gloss wax sealant. This dual-action feature means it cleans and protects your surfaces in one step. The spray-on, wipe-off application is simple and efficient, making it a great choice for those who want quick results. The biodegradable, soft water-based formula is safe for a variety of surfaces and won't strip existing wax layers. However, the trigger bottle's design could be improved, as some users report inconsistent spraying. Performance-wise, it excels at removing hard water spots, scum lines, and even light exhaust residue. This product is perfect for people who want an all-in-one solution that cleans and protects. Pros include its wax sealant feature and biodegradable formula, while cons include its slightly higher price point and occasional issues with the spray nozzle. At number 2, we have the Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover. This professional-grade product is a favorite among car enthusiasts and detailers for its quick action and safe formula. It's designed to dissolve tough mineral deposits and remove water spots from a variety of surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, and plastic trim. The spray-on application makes it easy to use, even in hard-to-reach areas like grills and door jambs. One of its standout features is the citrus-scented, eco-friendly formula, which avoids harsh substances while delivering professional-grade results. Application is simple. Spray it on, let it sit for a minute, and wipe it off with a damp microfiber towel. While it's effective on most water spots, extremely stubborn stains may require multiple applications. Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover is ideal for those who want a safe and easy-to-use product that works on multiple surfaces. Pros include its eco-friendly formula, ease of application, and wide surface compatibility. The cons? It's not always the strongest option for heavy mineral buildup, and its price may be on the higher side for some users. Finally, at number 1, we have the Meguiar's Water Spot Remover. This product is a complete package, combining powerful water spot removal with a gentle polish that enhances paint clarity and gloss. The cream formula is versatile and safe for use on clear coat paint, glass, chrome, and hard plastics, making it a go-to choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. What sets Meguiar's apart is its dual-action formula. Not only does it remove water spots, but it also polishes the surface to restore brilliance. You can apply it by hand using a microfiber cloth or with a dual-action polisher for more efficient detailing. The formula is clear coat safe and won't damage delicate surfaces, although it's not suitable for matte or satin finishes. Meguiar's Water Spot Remover offers exceptional value for its performance and versatility. It's ideal for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's glossy finish while tackling stubborn water stains. Pros include its polishing capability, wide surface compatibility, and clear coat safe formula. The only con is that it might not be the fastest option for extremely heavy mineral deposits. Overall, it's a standout product that earns its place at the top of our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed comparison of the top 5 water spot removers for cars. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which product you're most excited to try in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.